Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can share documents on Google Sheets with multiple users. So let's get started. Head over to Google Sheets, start a new spreadsheet or work on a pre-existing one. And now guys, let's say you would like to share that to-do list with your contacts so that they may view or maybe even edit that to-do list through their own account on Google Sheets. So you can do that by following these instructions. Click on share here in the top right corner and next add the email address of your contacts you would like to share that document with. Here add a first contact and another one, and add as many contacts or email addresses here to that list as you like, just like that. So multiple users are given access to that document now. And here to the right, you can also assign roles, like for example, if you'd like to give your contacts the permission to view the given spreadsheet or to edit it, so you can do that here. And once that's done, guys, you can click on done here in the bottom right corner, or alternately simply copy that link here to share it with people online so that anyone with the link may be given access to that document. Just make sure that you switch from restricted to anyone with the link here and you're good to go. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.